Hello beautiful and welcome to Beautiful You TV. Today I'm doing a collaboration video with SimpleLittlePleasues, who's a really talented nail art guru here on YouTube. Now here is the nail art design she came up with, and isn't it gorgeous? Now make sure to check out her channel and definitely subscribe. And now let's go on to my makeup tutorial. Okay, let's begin with a primer because we want to eliminate any possibility of creasing. Apply the product to your lid and blend with your fingers. Now here is a little trick for you. If you want your eyeshadows to look bright, use a white base underneath your eyeshadows. This will make any eyeshadow look twice as bright. It is time to prepare your bright colors and let's begin creating our rainbow. Start off with your inner corner and bright yellow eyeshadow. Apply the eyeshadow to the inner corner of your upper and lower lids. Then move on to the next rainbow color, which is orange. Place the color next to the yellow one and make sure to blend colors together to have a nice transition color. As my next color, I decided to pick a coral pink color, which in some light looks like a red one. Using the same technique, apply your eyeshadow next to the orange one. For now, let's move on to the lower lash line. All you need to do is make a nice transition from the yellow eyeshadow to the green one, and then from the green to blue. The final color you want to use in your rainbow is purple. This will link the lower and upper lids together. Now be really careful when you blend your purple eyeshadow with a pink one. A combination of these colors gives you a dirty color which practically looks black and unattractive. Since we have used practically all existing colors, the only nice color left for a highlighter is white. Just kidding, but really, white looks really nice as a highlighter, so use that. Okay, what's left, you may ask? A lot of blending. Use a fluffy dome brush to blend your rainbow with your highlighter. You also might want to use some relevant eyeshadows when you blend your crease. To make this bright look perfect, you might also want to use a black eyeliner on your waterline. I heat up my pencil to have a better product payoff. I also apply black gel eyeliner close to my upper lash line because I want to have a good base for my falsies later on. Speaking of falsies, the best way to apply the strip of your favorite false eyelashes is to use tweezers. I also really suggest you using a good eyelash adhesive because nothing looks worse than false eyelashes that come off. And you might also want to use some mascara on your lower lash line. Make sure to leave your cheeks alone in this look. We have so much going on our eyes that we don't want too much color on our cheeks. However, a bright pink lipstick on the lips should look just fine. And here's the final look. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this collaboration video. Stay always happy, healthy, and gorgeous, and see you in my next tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and interesting updates. Thanks, and bye.